Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. This is Muhammad Kamal Hussain, lecturer, Department of Mathematics, Scholars School and College, Dhanmondi, Dhaka. So, dear students, please let me know my sound quality, board diagram, left side, right side, everything okay? Can we start our class formally? So, dear students, in the comment section, you can give your attendance and also you can invite your friends to connect with us. Within a short time, formally, we are going to start our class. In the last few classes, we have started the discussion on the ascending order and descending order of fractions, and we have completed up to number 4 from exercise 1.4, and inshallah today we will start from question number 5, exercise 1.4. So dear students, let me know everything is okay or not. Okay, dear students, inshallah we are going to start our class formally. So first of all, one basic things we are going to start here. The content is now exercise 1.4, and from your academic book page number 27. From your academic book, and the page is 27. Addition and subtractions. Addition and subtraction of a fractions. How to find the addition, and the topic is addition and number 5 subtraction. Addition and subtraction of fractions. This is the today's topics. Inshallah, we will discuss this one. So, my dear students, first let me know this one. If we write here like 3 1 by 3, and so we can convert this one. This is a 3 whole number and with 1/3, and we can separate this one. Both are same. 3 plus 1/3. They are same. We can write this one into like this one. Similarly, like 3 plus 1 by 3. আচ্ছা আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে স্যার, একটু ক্লাসটা নিচ্ছি তো পরে আবার কথা বলবো। আসসালামু আলাইকুম। Okay, dear students, now 3 1/3 equals to 3 plus 1/3, or like if we write here 3 1/3, what will be here? This is a whole number, there is another whole number. So now we can write this one like this, 3 plus 1/3. So any number with fractions, whole number into fractions, we can separate this one by using the plus. So this is one technique. Another one you can write here, basically we do here, this is the 3, and now 3 times 3 multiply 3, and this is the plus 1. Or we can write this one 3 times and then plus 1. 9 plus 1 divided by 3 equals to 10 by 3. They are same. So dear students, from this one you will get here 10 by 3, and so you can use, this is the one method, you can write like this, or this is another method, you can do this one. So in the maximum times we use this one. Okay, now I give you an example here. Let me review another one. Like 2 1 by 2 plus 3 1 by 3. How many students can do this one? First give attention here. There is a whole number is 2, and there is half and whole number is 3 and there is 1/3. So by using one method, you can write here like 2 multiply 2, that is 2 multiply 2 plus 1. And here plus, this is the denominator 3, 3 multiply 3, 3 multiply 3 plus 1. So now there is a multiply and plus. The first multiplication operation sign will have to calculate first. 4 plus 1 divided by 2. Now this one is 3 multiply 3, 9 plus 1 divided by 3. So now this is now 5 divided by 2 plus this is now 10 divided by 3. So there are now two fractions, and how to add the fractions here? In times of addition, you have to write here, find the LCM of 2 and 3. LCM of 2 and 3. What is the LCM of 2 and 3? 2 and 3. They all are prime numbers. So 2 1 times the 3. And the 3 are 1 times and 1 times. So LCM of 2 and 3. 2 and 3 equal 2 multiply 3 equals to 6. Now find the LCM is equal 6. So dear students, I think last portions of the board is okay. Yes, LCM is 2 by 6. Now first step. First find the LCM of 2 and 3. This one will be 6. Now this LCM will be divided by 3. First, LCM divided by 2. LCM divided by 2. This is the 3. And 3 times 6. So result is 3. And now 5 multiply 3. And this is now plus. And here LCM 6 divided by 3. LCM 6 divided by 3. There will be 2 times. So the 10 multiply 2. So dear students, now we can write here. The answer will be now. This is a 5 multiply 3, 15. Plus 10 multiply 2, 20. Divided by 6 equal 35 divided by 6. And now 35 divided by 6. 35 divided by 6. 5 times 30. This is 5. So you can write here this 5 is the first number quotient. The divisor will be here 6 and this one is 5. And this is our final answer. So my dear students, just after this line, I think do here. So now please let me know. Is it clear to you? 5 by 6. Talha bin Jaman said, sir, correct answer, absolutely. But 35 by 6 is the improper fractions. That's why you have to divide again. My dear students, sometimes you said here that 35 by 6 is an improper fractions because the numerator 1 is greater than denominator. That's why you have to divide again. So now, my dear students, please let me know. Is it clear to you or not? Please. Please do comments. Is it clear to you or not? I understood properly. Shorna Khan said, sir, please repeat again. Rokeya Renu ID থেকে বলছো, Farjana Sultan ID থেকে বলছো, sir, understand. Thank you so much. Okay, আমি আবার একটু রিপিট করব। খুব ভালো করে খেয়াল করো। আমরা এই ম্যাথটি রিপিট না করে আমরা নতুন একটি ম্যাথ করি, দেখো। তারপরে তোমাদের একটু দেখাচ্ছি। ফার্স্টে এই নাম্বারগুলোকে আমরা মাল্টিপ্লাই করব। এখানে সবগুলো ম্যাথসের জন্য সেম মেথড। ফার্স্টে 2 এর সাথে 2 মাল্টিপ্লাই। 2 এর সাথে 2 মাল্টিপ্লাই। এই 3 এর সাথে 3 মাল্টিপ্লাই। এখানে এরপরে যে নাম্বারটি থাকবে 1 অ্যাড হবে, এখানে 1 আছে জন্য 1 অ্যাড হচ্ছে। সো নরমালি আমরা মাল্টিপ্লাই করে আসছি। Then 2 and 6 LCM, 2 and 6 LCM is 6. This is the LCM. Now the first fractions LCM is divided by denominator. LCM 6 is divided by 2, answer is 3, and then 3 multiply with numerator. LCM 6 is divided by 3, answer is 2. 2 is multiplied with 10. This is now 35 by 6. 35 by 6 result is here, and this is the quotient, and quotient are the same. And this is the divisor here, and remainder the antecedent or the numerator. So dear students, okay, let me review another one, then we can find the answer here. আমরা আরো একটা ম্যাথ দেখাচ্ছি তাতে আমাদের কনসেপ্ট একটু ক্লিয়ার হবে। আই থিংক রাইট সাইড ইজ ওকে। দেখো এখান থেকে যদি আমরা বলে আসি 3 2/5 minus 1 minus 4/7. So dear students, please you can write in the comment section how many students can do this one. How many students can do this one? By using two different methods you can do this one. Please in the comment section you can write your name, how many students can do this one. Okay, first step, just let me review your comments. Is it possible? Yes, maximum sir, I can do. Thank you. তোমরা যারা যারা পারবে একটু ট্রাই করে দেখো। 3 multiply 2. So first step 3 multiply 2 and then plus 5. 3 multiply 2 then plus 5 divided by 2. And here 4 so this is minus. Then 4 multiply 1. 4 1 times. 4 1 times and then plus 7. Divided by 4. So now this is operation sign multiply, this is plus, multiply plus 6 plus 5 divided by 2. This is now 4 plus 7 divided by 4. This is now 11 divided by 2 and then 11 divided by 4. 11 divided by 4, 11 divided by 2. So this is now improper fraction. This mixed fractions converted into improper fractions. My dear student, this mixed fractions converted into improper fractions. Now take the LCM of denominators. So what is the LCM? LCM of 2 and 4. This is 2 and 1. This 2. So now LCM of 2 and 4 equal 2 multiply 2 equal 4. Their LCM is 4. So take here LCM. Take their LCM. LCM is 4. Now first LCM is divided by 2. The LCM is divided by 2. So this LCM 4 divided by 2, you will get the result. You will get here the result. The LCM divided by 2. 2 2s are 4, 0. So dear students, now if LCM is divided by 2, result is 2. So 2 multiply 11. Then now LCM is divided by 4. There will be 1. 11 multiply 1. So now we can write here the left side answer is 11 multiply 2, 22 multiply 11 divided by 4. And there is 11 by 4. Now 11 divided by 4. This is the 2 times 8. There will be 3. So the quotient is here, divisor is here, remainder is upper one. And this is our answer. My dear students, so please let me know Any more questions? I think you understood this one properly. My dear students, sorry for the late. Arnaf Hussain, good class. Thank you so much. Yes, Tahmid, 2, 3 by 4. Absolutely right answer. Thank you so much, Tahmid. Yes, very easy questions. Very easy question. Yes, thank you so much, my dear students. Yes. Yes, 2, 3 by 4. Absolutely right answer. Yes, yes, everyone, you are trying to write down the correct answer. Thank you so much, my dear students. Now we can review one maths from your academic book. So, dear students, from the number 5, we can write here. Question number 5, 70 meters. So, from your academic book, we will do this one, 5D. Now, let me review this one, 5D. This is now 5D. What are given here? 5D. Find the 70 meter. This question is given here 70 meter. 9, 7, 10. 9, 7 by 10 centimeter. This is now plus. This is exercise 1.4, page 27. Plus 80 meter, 80 meter, and then 17, 3 by 50 centimeter, and then finally this is 73 by 80 meter, 73 by plus 40 meter. This is now 40 meter, then 27, 9 by, এটি দেখা যাচ্ছে কিনা রাইট সাইডে আমাদের 40 মিটার পরে লেখা ঠিক 40 মিটার, 27, 9 by 25 centimeter. This is the given. So now, my dear students, how many units we see here? This is the question number 5D from exercise 1.4. Question number 5D from exercise 1.4. This one is the centimeter. I think right side is not okay. This is the centimeter. So now, please, there are 2 units. This is meter, this is centimeter, this is meter, there is meter. So now we see here different types of meter and centimeter. Now identify the all meter. This is the meter and centimeter. This is 70 plus 80 plus 40. These all are meter. These all are meter. And then mark the centimeter units, all centimeter units, and their centimeter is 9, 7 by 10 plus 17, 3 by 50 plus 27, 9 by 25, and all are centimeter here. Just separating all meter unit and centimeter unit, and doing their add, you will get here 190 meter. And this is now 9 multiply 10 plus 7 divided by 10 plus 17 multiply 50 plus 3 divided by 50. This one will be 27 multiply 25 plus 9 divided by 25. These all are unit is centimeter. So now this is now 190 meter plus 190 meter. This one will be 97 divided by 10 plus This is 70 multiply 50. So 70 multiply 50 plus 3. This one will be 853. First do multiplication, then add. Divided by 50. And this one will be 684 divided by 25. These all are centimeter here. So my dear students, now centimeter and meter. So taking the LCM here, this is now 190 meter plus. What is the LCM of 10, 50, 25? Their LCM is now 50. Find their LCM. 10, 50, 25. If you divide it by 2, you will get here 5, 25 and 25. Divided by 5, 1, 5 and 5. Again divided by 5, 1, 1 and 1. There is now LCM. LCM equals to 2 multiplied 5 multiplied 5 equals to 50. So their LCM is 50. 50 divided by 10. 50 divided by 10, you will get here 5. 5 multiply 97. 5 multiply 97. Then 50 divided by 50, you will get here answer 1. 853. 50 divided by 25, you will get here 2. 684. These all are centimeter. So dear students, these all are centimeter here. Now do calculation. I think our video is sorry. My dear students, now it's okay. Please let me know now it's okay. Please, yes sir, I think. Okay, dear students, I think hurry up, do calculation here. 190 meter plus. And doing the calculation, you will get here 90 plus that also 48. This is the 485. 485 plus 853 plus 1368. 1368 divided by 50. They all are centimeter here. And now 190 meter plus. Doing the add, you will get here 2706 divided by 2706 divided by 50. This is now centimeter. So dear students, just now we will do calculate here. This is now 190 meter. Just to divide this one 50. We will do calculation at 50. How many times? Okay, first write down the answer, then we will review this one. This is now 54 and this is 25 divided by 3. I think 3 centimeter. Just this is our answer. So just we will do calculate here. How divided by 50? This one will be you get 25. Okay, let me review this one. আমরা এদিকে একটু আমরা রাব করে দেখাবো যে কিভাবে এটি ডিভাইড হচ্ছে। তোমরা ফার্স্টে 2 দিয়ে ডিভাইড করবে। Because this is the last number is 6, even number, always divisible by 2. This is divisible by 2, 0. So this one will be 25 and this one will be the half of this one. Then divided by 25, you will get this answer. So my dear students, yes, 54, all clear. Thank you so much. Absolutely right answer, my dear students. This is so just meter and centimeter together. These two one are answer here. 25 divided by 5. 25 divided by 3. Yes, 54, 3 by 25. Thank you. Okay, sir. 190 meter. Absolutely, Mirza. Shohiduzaman ID থেকে বলছে sir. Okay, sir. Thank you. Tahamid. Yes, absolutely right answer. 25 divided by, why you are writing 25 divided by 3? No, 3 divided by 25. 3 divided by 25. Yes, 3 divided by 25. Absolutely right answer. This is the meter and this is the plus. So just we use here the meter, meter and meter. These 3 meters just we separated here. And this is the centimeter 3 mixed fractions. And doing the calculation of centimeter units and doing the calculation of meter units, just you can use here add or multiply, no problem. If you use here no any sign, at the meter and at the centimeter, at the meter and at the centimeter, no problem. You can use here add or any symbol, just bracket. So dear students, please let me know, is it okay? I think maximum students have done this one. Okay, thank you so much. Sir, I did not understand the 4 number step. Number 4 step 1, 2, 3, 4. এইখানে তুমি স্টেপটি বুঝো না। ফার্স্টে দেখো এখানে 10, 50, 25 এদের আমরা এলসিএম বের করছি। এলসিএম হচ্ছে 50। ফার্স্ট আমরা কি করব, এদের এলসিএম বের করব। এলসিএম হচ্ছে 50। এবার দেখো এইখানে ফার্স্ট ভালো করে খেয়াল করবে, এখানে যে এলসিএম আসবে এই এলসিএমটাকে আমরা ডিনোমিনেটর দিয়ে ডিভাইড করব। 50 ডিভাইডেড বাই 10, आंसर will be 5। এখানে যে आंसर আসবে সেই आंसर উপরে নাম্বারের সাথে মাল্টিপ্লাই হবে। 50 divided by 50, answer will be 1। 1 multiply with 853। 853। Similarly দেখো 50 divided by 25, answer 50 divided by 25, then answer will be 2। 2 multiply আবার 1। সো এরপরে আমরা যেটা করছি ডিভাইড করছি। এখানে তোমরা ডিভাইড করে নিতে পারো। এই ডিভাইডটা অনেকের কাছে একটু ডিফিকাল্ট হতে পারে, আমরা মাঝখানে একটু দেখাচ্ছি, তোমরা নিজেরা করে নিতে পারবে। 2706 divided by 50। First divided this one by 2, there will be 25। This one 2 ones are 2, 2 3 3s are 6, then 1 5, this is now 3। So dividing by 2, so dividing by 2, this one is 1353 divided by 25। Now divide with 25, you will get here, if we divide here, 25 is divisor 1353। 1353, this one will be 5 times 125, this is 0 and 1, and there is 3, and then 4 times 100, there will be 3। So now we can write here 54, the divisor is 25 and this one is 3, and now you write here 25 and this is 54, that's 25। So we wrote here 54 3 by 25 and doing this one divide। So dear students, directly or you can do the rough work here। Any questions my dear students, please। So I think আমরা আজকে আর বেশি কন্টিনিউ করব না। তোমাদের এইখানে নাম্বার 5 এবং নাম্বার 6 থেকে যে ম্যাথগুলো ছিল, এখানে সিম্পল একটা কোশ্চেন দেখাবো, আর খুব ভালো করে খেয়াল করো। যদি একটা নাম্বার ফিক্সড থাকে আর একটা নাম্বার যদি ফ্র্যাকশন থাকে, like this is the question number, this is now first question, like this is 3 plus 2 1/3, and what will be answer here? 3 plus 2 1/3। So this is numerical number, and here 2 multiply 3, and this is the plus 1 divided by 3। Now do calculation here। 3 plus 6 plus 1 divided by 3, there will be now 3 plus 7 by 3। So now what will be answer here? 3 plus 7 by 3। So now just write here 3 plus 7 by 3। Okay, if we do calculation here, there is, you can consider denominator as 1। So এখানে তুমি মনে মনে একটা 1 ধরতে পারো। You can take here 1 as a denominator। যদি ডিনোমিনেটর না থাকে তুমি এখানে মনে মনে ডিনোমিনেটরটাকে 1 ধরতে পারবে। এখানে তুমি মনে মনে or you can write directly 1 এবং 3 এর এলসিএম বের করব। সো এলসিএম অফ 1 and 3 এর এলসিএম কি হবে 1 1 and 3, then 3 1 and 1, so LCM is 3, then LCM is 3 3 1 2 3 multiply 3 plus 7 multiply 1. This is now 9 plus 7 divided by 3 equals to 16 by 3 equals to 16 by 3 equals to 5 3 1, and this is our answer. So my dear students, the mixed fractions with any numerical number, you will get this answer. যদি কোনো একটা নাম্বার নিউমেরিক্যাল নাম্বার থাকে তুমি তার নিচে মনে মনে 1 ধরতে পারো। By using this one, you can take the LCM of 1 and 3. Then this one will be answer. So, dear students, any more comments? Is it clear? So, my dear students, 5 nong by 3, 5 1 by 3, 5 nong by 1. So, my dear students, 5 nong by 3, 5 1 by. So easy. Okay, তোমাদের আজকে মাত্র একটা ম্যাথ দিচ্ছি, তোমরা সবাই নাম্বার 7 এর নাম্বার এ ম্যাথটি একটু ট্রাই করে দেখবে। জাস্ট ইউজ দ্য নাম্বার। তোমাদের একটা মাত্র কোশ্চেন দিচ্ছি। নাম্বার 7 এর a নাম্বার ম্যাথটি দিচ্ছি only. This is the one math is homework. একটা ম্যাথ মাত্র প্র্যাকটিস করবে। এটা এক্সারসাইজ 1.4 page 27. The question is on the 7a. Just only one math is your homework. 1 minute homework sir, only one math is your homework. সর্বোচ্চ 2 মিনিট সময় লাগবে। So my dear students, আমরা আজকের ক্লাসটি আর বেশি কন্টিনিউ করব না। So dear students, hopefully see you in the next classes and wish you all the best. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Don't forget to subscribe. Triangular Kamal.